This lemon and lime pie has a crunch from the base, sweet zing from the filling and topped with smooth cream, and it's also easy to make. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Crush 150 grams of biscuits of choice by hand or in a food processor until it's a fine crumb. Add 75 grams of melted butter to the biscuit crumbs and combine. Place the crumbs in a 23 cm pie dish and gently press crumbs to the base and sides of the dish. Cook the pie base for 10 minutes. Juice 3 limes and 3 lemons. Strain the juice. In a bowl, add 2 lots of 395 gram tins of condensed milk. Add 1 cup of Greek yogurt and the lemon and lime juice. Whisk. Place a lemon and lime filling into the biscuit base. Smooth the top of the pie. Cook in the oven for 15 minutes. Once cooked, leave it to cool for half an hour, then refrigerate for 3 hours. In a chilled bowl, add 1 cup of cream, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk until stiff peaks form. Fill a piping bag with your choice of nozzle. Pipe cream on the top of the lemon and lime pie. Slice and enjoy. Subscribe, like and comment.